What's going on, YouTube? This is Michael and HT back at it with the Jeep update. Today we're gonna go pick up a set of tires for it at Discount Tire. As you can see, we're running old Mickey Thompson Baja Claws 33-inch mud terrain tires. They're from 2010, so they're dry rotted and just a hazard to the road. So we picked up a new set of Yokohama Geolander 33s. They're a mud terrain tire. So we're gonna take a cruise up to Discount Tire over on the 303 in Bell. It's a little drive, about 20-minute drive from here, but the reason we're going to that store is because my buddy works for Discount Tire and he hooked us up with a deal. First thing we gotta do is move the whip right now. This is my daily driver. It's a Ram 1500 single cab Hemi, and at the moment it's blocking the Jeep. Oh, it's getting hot out here in the AZ. Still got an exhaust leak I need to fix on this truck. You can hear it. The rear exhaust manifold bolt snapped and needs to be pulled out, and new gaskets and new manifold needs to be installed. I have all the parts, just haven't had the time since I use this as a daily driver. Anyways, let's get this out of the way. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see some work done to this truck. I know in the future I need to fix the exhaust leak like I was talking about. I got to replace the weather stripping since the car wash ripped it off. You can probably see it better up here. And other little things. For the most part, it's a great truck. Good daily driver. Horrible on gas mileage though. Another quick update we did is we cut the old exhaust off. The hanger was busted, so we just took a sawzall to it. Look right under here. That's where it ends. the comments how much your gasoline is in what your town or city. $30 gets you a little over 5.5 gallons. Crazy. Well, we made it here. I forgot to mention we got new shocks on the Jeep too. We got it on the lift right now. They're taking off all the tires. We also found where the Bondo was in this dent. Needs to be buffed out, re-bondoed and painted. Well, we made it back in one piece tires installed. Rides very smooth, very quiet. They couldn't get the center caps on that I purchased from 4-Wheel Parts. Apparently they're just too tight of a tolerance, and we're gonna have to do some modification to get them on. So for now we don't have any center caps until we modify them or get different ones. We got the spare mounted. As far as the third brake light, that's gonna need to be adjusted because you can barely see it. Doggo approved. Anyways guys, that's the update for the Jeep right now. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.